And an offensive foul called against Banale. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dao with 4 minutes remaining sa tuwang first quarter. Ato score 6-8, 2-point lead ba Barangay Dao. Trosio with the ball to Esparraguera. Esparraguera fouled on the floor. Ball possession will remain with Barangay Dao, mga kasenso. Trosio driving, kick out to Tura. Tura for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Magaluwid, and the putback is out, and the easy layup for Andy para sa Banale, tying the game. Trosio with the ball, pass to Tura, back to Trosio. Tura, jumper, basket is good. Ball nearly stolen. Batan attacking the basket. Blocked by Karit. And now Balukan will check in para sa Barangay Dao. Andy with the ball. Pass to Navarro. Navarro driving. Navarro. Layup is good. Trosio to Magaluwid. Kick out of Tura for 3. Missed. Balukan to Trosio. Layup missed. And last touch Banale. 12 seconds on the shot clock. And Karit missing the layup. Last touch Dao. So ball possession mapupunta sa Barangay Banale, mga kasenso. 2 minutes remaining sa tong first quarter. Bathan with the ball. Pass to Andy. Underneath pass to Lee. Basket is good. Karit. Layup is in. And Karit called with an entry to zone violation. So ball possession will go to Barangay Banale. Bathan for 3. Nails the three-pointer. Lapay missing the jumper. Magaluid with the offensive rebound, and ball stolen by Andy to Batan, and Batan layup is good. Back-to-back basket para kay Batan, mga kasenso. Lapay jumper no good. Rebound by Odin, and the basket for Andy. As we close the first quarter, lamang na po ng 7 ang Banale. Magaluid, layup is good. And that was our first quarter. Ato score 19-12. 19-14. 5-point lead by Barangay Banale. And welcome mga ka-Asenso sa tuwang second quarter as Tura nails the 3-pointer para sa Banale. Ornilio to Fuentes, back to Ornilio. Pass to Fiel, Fiel for 3. Can't answer back, and rebound by Veralio. Veralio, layup no good. Lee, shot block. Tura to Lumayag, and a traveling violation called against Banale. Caritan missing that layup. Ball stolen by Fuentes. Fuentes. Ball deflected. A last touch Banale. Ball possession will remain with Barangay Dao. And with a minute and 30 seconds passed by sa tuwang second quarter. And a turnover para sa Barangay Dao. Declaro. Missed that three-pointer mga ka-Asenso. Rebound by Ornilio. Pass to Fel. To Caritan. Caritan driving. Layup no good. At medyo inaalat ito si Caritan mga ka-Asenso. And now Jimenez will check in para sa Barangay Dao. Now Declaro with the ball. And a turnover para sa Barangay Banale. Biel. And Kabungkag nails the layup para sa Dao mga ka-Asenso. Now Declaro with the ball. Pass to Taug. And Taug was fouled. Lumayag with the ball. Pass to Taug. Taug. Ball stolen by Jimenez. Bola napunta kay Ornilio. Ball deflected, stolen by Declaro. And now Declaro. To Lumayag. Nails the jumper. And a steal by Fiel. Ball possession will go to Barangay Dao. And now Kabungkag will check in para kay Ornilio para sa Barangay Dao. 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining sa itong second quarter. Kabungkag with the ball. Ball stolen. Lumayag. Layup no good. Taug. Jumper no good. Offensive rebound by Palua. And last touch, Barangay Dao. And a steal by Kabungkag. And Kabungkag with an easy basket. Palua missed the jumper. Rebound by Fel. And Fel attacking, drop pass to Karit. And a timeout was called by Barangay Banale with 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. At to score 24-22, 2-point lead by Barangay Banale. And a timeout. This timeout was brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And back to our ball game. Andy losing the grip. So a turnover para sa Banali. Ball possession sa Barangay Dao. Fiel. Basket is good. Floater was in, mga kasenso. Andy, pull-up jumper off the glass, no good. Declaro getting the ball, pass to Lumayag. Lumayag. Jumper missed. Rebound by Kabungkag. Pass to Kabungkag. To Fiel. Ball deflected. Last touch, Banali. And now Odin and Kilat will check in para sa Banali. Bola nakuha ni Jimenez. Jimenez, kick out to Fiel. And a 24-second shot clock violation called against Dao. Navarro with offensive rebound. Turn around, drop pass to Kilat. Kick out to Andy. 4-3. 30-footer. No good. Bola nakuha sa Dao. Karit with the ball. Attacking the basket. Nabitawan. Picks it up and layup is in. Navarro with the ball. And Navarro was fouled. And Navarro nailing the first throw. Missing the second. Offensive rebound Odin, and Odin was fouled. And Odin missing the first. And Odin missing both free throws. Rebound by Magalued. Pass to Fiel, to Kabungkag. Layup missed. Rebound by Navarro. To Andy. Andy, double pump layup, no good. Picks his own rebound. Pass to Navarro to Lee. Lee, fade away. Missed. Now Fiel with the ball. Pass to Kabungkag. Layup is good. Andy. And a turnover para sa Banali. As Ramirez will check in para sa Barangay Dao. Fiel. Turn around. Penetration is good. Layup is in. And Navarro was fouled. Andy, ball stolen. And a kickball violation called against Dao. And a traveling violation called against Banale.
46 versus 1.
Bola nakuha ni Fiel. Fiel attacking the basket. Off the glass, no good. Bola rebound ni Lee. Napunta kay Navarro, and Navarro attacking the basket. And the referee says it's an offensive foul. Nang wahing mga ka-Asenso. With 10 seconds remaining sa itong second quarter. And an official's timeout as Kabungkag is down on the floor. Now ball possession sa Dao. Magaluwid driving. Layup no good. Gets his own rebound. Put back is missed. And that was the end of our first half. Atong score 25-30. 5-point lead by Barangay Dao. And welcome mga kasenso sa itong third quarter para sa itong first game for tonight's Urban Division Games between Barangay Banale and Barangay Dao. As Kilat misses the three-pointer. Offensive rebound by Andy, pass to Odin. Odin, jumper. No good. Rebound by Karitan. Fiel with the ball, pass to Karit. Karit, back to Fiel. Tumagaluwid, cross-court pass to Tura for 3. No good. Rebound by Andy. Andy nails that layup. And Karit will go to the free throw line mga kasenso. Karit misses the first throw. And Karit with a entry two-zone violation. Andy. Fiel. Tura. Layup is good. Andy with the ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Three-pointer. No good. And a loose ball foul called against Bathan. Magaluwid with the ball. Pass to Karitan. Layup is good. Kilat to Bathan to Andy. Tura to Kilat to Odin. And Odin was fouled and he will go to the free throw line. Odin nails the first throw. And Odin nails the second throw. And a steal. Ball recovered by Caritan. Caritan off the glass, no good. Rebound by Carit. Bola nakuha ni Bathan, napunta kay Andy. Andy. Layup, no good. And Andy was fouled and will go to the free throw line.
First personal foul. Defensive foul. Foul.
And Andy missing the first throw. And Andy missed both free throws. Fiel with the ball. Attacking. Drop pass to Caritan. Layup is good. Bathan. No good. Three-pointer missed. And now Navarro and Lee will check back in para sa Banale. Now Fiel with the ball. And a turnover para sa Dao. And a steal by Trosio. Pass to Fiel, to Tura. Layup, short. Trosio with a putback, missed. Fiel can't do it. A bola napunta kay Andy. Andy flying. Layup, no good mga ka-Asenso. And ball stolen by Andy. Pass to Odin. Odin missed the layup but he was fouled.
Third personal foul. Third free foul.
And Odin missed the first throw. Odin missing both free throws yet again. Mga ka-Asenso, na bola na kay Fiel. Fiel, turn around, fake. Shot block by Kilat. Kick out to Trosio. Trosio, layup is good. Amazing ball movement and ball handling from Fiel and the rest of the Barangay Dao team, mga ka-Asenso. As consistent ang ilang conversion, mga ka-Asenso, of the turnovers ng Banale. And another miss ng Banale. Trosio, kick out to Tura for 3. No good. And now Palua will check in para sa Banale. And now Navarro missed the three-pointer. Bola nakuha ni Trosio. Ball picked up by Lapay. Nakuha ni Fiel. And the basket is good. What an amazing sequence right there, mga ka-Asenso. As Dao are doing everything for a basket, mga ka-Asenso. And now another miss by Banale. Bola nakuha ni Kabungkag. Pass to Lapay. Lapay for 3. Kablam! Lapay nailing that three-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. And a timeout was called by Barangay Banale with 3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa toong third quarter. Atong score 29-43. 14-point lead by Barangay Dao. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. And Trosho was fouled as he steals the ball. Now Esparraguera with the ball. Pass to Trosho, back to Esparraguera. Esparraguera fouled.
Personal foul. Third team foul.
Lapay. Jumper, no good. Bola nakuha ni Andy. And now Andy to Taog. Basket is in. And finally, Banale nails the basket, mga kasenso. And now Trosho. And a turnover para sa Dao. And ang bola nasa Banale. Andy with the ball. Pass to Navarro. Navarro driving. And another steal by Trosho. Bola na kang Esparraguera. To Lapay. Lapay pull up jumper. Basket is good. Andy for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Lapay. Lapay attacking. Layup is in, at may kasama pang foul. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dao with 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining sa itong third quarter. Atong score, 31-47, 16-point lead by Barangay Dao. And this timeout is brought to us by LGL Construction. Lapay missing the bonus throw. And Kabungka gets the offensive rebound and the basket and a foul. So the potential 3-point play becomes a potential 5-point play. And Bandia nails the bonus throw. And Batan was fouled beyond the 3-point arc. So Batan will go to the free throw line to shoot 3 free throws. And Bathan nails the third throw. Lapay with the ball. Pass to Trosio. Trosio. Incredible assist. Trosio. Connection to Buko for the reverse layup, mga ka-Asenso. And Kilat wide open for three. No good. Lumayag with offensive rebound. And Bathan drop pass to Palwa. Jumper missed. Rebound by Trosio. And Jacinto layup was blocked. Trosio with the ball. Inside pass to Buko. Layup missed. Bola na kay Bathan. Bathan to Palwa. Layup is good. Jacinto. And that was our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Atong score 35-52, 17-point lead by Barangay Dao. And welcome mga ka-Asenso sa itong fourth quarter between Barangay Dao and Barangay Banale. A 17-point lead sa Barangay Dao. Our first game for tonight's Urban Division games, and a steal by Dao. And a turnover committed by Balukan para sa Barangay Dao. Ball possession will go to Barangay Banale. Bathan driving, layup no good. And Odin was fouled. And Odin nails the first throw. And an offensive rebound by Odin, and he was fouled.
First personal foul. Defensive foul.
And Odin missing the first throw. Odin misses the second throw. And a long pass. Ball deflected, last touch Banale. And now Andy will check back in para sa Barangay Banale. Magaluid driving, and he was fouled. And Magaluid nails the second throw. Andy, cross-court pass to Kilat, to Palwa, to Odin, to Andy for three. No good. And last touch, Banale. Fail to Magaluid. And a kickball violation called against Dao. Ball possession going to Barangay Banale. Declaro with the ball, pass to Kilat, to Odin, to Andy. Andy for three. Kablam! Andy nailing that three-pointer, mga kasenso. And a near steal by Andy. Last touch Banale. Ball possession will go to Barangay Dao. Fiel with the ball. And a long pass to Andy. Andy, step back. To Declaro. To Palwa. Layup is good. And a steal by Palwa to Odin. Odin for the easy basket. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dao with 6 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa tong ball game. At to score 43-56, 19-point lead. .point lead by Barangay Dao. And this timeout is brought to us by LSC Construction.
Villa. Jersey number 21, Villa. Second personal foul, Steven Vilpa. Guadalajara.
And Carita nails the second throw. Andy driving. Layup no good. Palwa with a putback and a foul.
Jersey Gordon for personal foul.
And Palwa nails the second throw.
Jersey number 28, Alvaro. Jersey number 60, Ante.
Fiel with the ball. Off the screen. Totrosio. Missed the layup. And last touch, Dao. And a steal by Fiel. Runner no good. Gets his own rebound. Drop pass to Totrosio. Layup no good. Bola nakuha ni Fiel. Fake. Basket is in. Odin layup missed and Palwa with a putback. And another basket by Dao and a timeout called by Barangay Banale. With 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa tong ball game at to score 46-61. 15-point lead by Barangay Dao. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger and Daddy Burger ng Bayan. Odin with the ball. Drop pass to Palwa. To Kilat. To Palwa. Jumper. No good. Bola nakuha ni Palwa. To Kilat. Andy for 3. No good. And a loose ball foul. Called against Palwa.
Number 20, Palwa. First personal foul, Steven Vilpa. Guadalajara.
And ball deflected. Last touch Banale. Ball possession will remain with Barangay Dao. And Trosio with a layup. Kilat block.
Shot out state. Jersey number 60. London Roy Western foul. Stephen Deepak. Shot out wide.
Fiel to Caritan. And a 24-second shot clock violation called against the O.
Jersey number 21. First personal foul. Deepak.
And Andy missing the first throw. And Andy sinking the second throw. Magaluid with the ball. And another basket by Fiel. Barangay Dao slowly getting away on this one, mga ka-Asenso. And Tura missing the three-pointer. And a steal by Kilat, but loses the ball, so ball possession will still go to Barangay Dao. As we enter the final 2 minutes of the ball game, and Trosho sinks another jumper. And Kilat nails a three-pointer. And a timeout was called by Barangay Dao with 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining sa itong ball game. At the score 52-69, 17-point lead by Barangay Dao. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. Tora for three, no good. Rebound by Lapay, pass to Esparraguera. Fuentes for three, missed. Rebound by Palua. Tutura. Missed. Bola nakuha ni Balukan, and Dao will try to use some clock. Balukan with the ball. Rebound by Tura. And Taug with a jumper. And that was our ball game. Our final score, 56-71, winner Barangay Dao.
Maasenso gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa the first ever Mayor sabi ko Asenso Barangay Cup. O karon ako man naging ang atong ika-5th game which was played by Barangay Banale versus Barangay Dao and the winner Barangay Dao. O karon inyong makita og ato ang mahinabi ang usa ka banggitan nga player sa Barangay Dao. Sir, maayong gabi kanimo sir.
May gabi po sa Asenso Cup tanan. O nagpasalamat ko ni Mayor Samiko o sa ako ang teammates o sa amuang manager si Tay Pilar.
Sir, pagkangalan nga ang Barangay Dao mo inadaog sa atong ika-5th game, unsa man ang imong gibati sir?
Siyempre nalipay. Ana ra man ginatong paningwaon nga modaog.
Yes, so muna sir no. Sir, basta na kay gusto yung shoutout imong family, friends, or imong fans?
Shoutout na ko sa ako ang mga anak.
Okay, so mga mga kasetso na stay tuned lang mo mga kasetso. Ayaw mo gawa, pwede usap ka mo nga mobisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Covered Court. Pwede usap ka mo nga mo-follow, mo-like, mo-share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sport Channel, sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sport Channel Official. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso, pagadian.